Well, how long is this inspection going to take? A common inspection time usually ranges somewhere between an hour to hour and a half, depending on the size of your home. Now, it may take a little bit longer if you have a larger home, different wings, things like that, but most of your common houses can get done with an inspection, floor elevations, everything like that in about an hour and a half. If you do have a crawl space or you have a raised foundation, those take a little bit longer just because we have to crawl underneath the house, inspect your girder beams, your posts and pads, and make sure everything's standard underneath your home as well as the exterior. If you have any additional questions that we haven't been able to answer in this video, by all means, click the Get Started button or give us a call at the office. We'd be glad to answer any additional questions that you may have, or go ahead and schedule your free foundation inspection to get you rolling, to get you the answers you need.